Top Lists, the top video channel. Want to see more videos? Subscribe to Top Lists for more insight, and don't forget to hit like to support us. Keep tuning in. Do you ever ponder about the strangest creatures on Earth? In this vast world teeming with life, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, we find beings that defy our understanding of normal. They span across continents, each more peculiar than the last. Today we're embarking on a journey to explore the top 10 strangest creatures from around the globe, creatures that will make you question everything you thought you knew about Mother Nature. Ready for the countdown of the top 10 strangest creatures on Earth? Let's dive in. At number 10, we have the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This tiny wonder is no bigger than a speck of dust, yet it's one of the most resilient creatures on Earth. You can find tardigrades in the most unexpected places, from the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches. However, they are originally from Japan. These microscopic marvels are astoundingly adaptable to extreme conditions. They can survive temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun and as cold as absolute zero. They can endure pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches, and they can also withstand the vacuum of space. Yes, you heard it right, space. They are also capable of entering a state of suspended animation when conditions become too harsh, a state from which they can revive even after decades. The tardigrade, an incredibly resilient creature from Japan, starts our countdown. Coming in at number 9 is the ii from Madagascar. This peculiar creature with its uncanny appearance is a species of lemur. The ii's most distinctive feature is its unusually long middle finger, which it uses for a unique hunting method known as tap foraging. As it taps on trees with this finger, it listens for hollow sounds indicating the presence of grubs. It then uses the same finger to fish out its prey. The ii is also a nocturnal being, coming out at night to forage and eat. Its large, reflective eyes, perfect for night vision, further add to its eerie look. Don't let its appearance scare you off though. Despite its somewhat ghoulish looks, the ii has a harmless and gentle nature. Though it might be strange to our eyes, the ii is perfectly adapted to its environment and lifestyle. The ii, a truly bizarre creature from Madagascar, takes our 9th spot. At number 8 we find the axolotl, a fascinating creature from Mexico. Often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, this amphibian is not a fish at all, but a type of salamander. The axolotl is a sight to behold, with its crown of external gills fanning out from behind its head. These feathery appendages are not just for show, they allow the axolotl to extract oxygen from the water where it spends its entire life. But the truly remarkable thing about the axolotl is its regenerative abilities. It can regrow not just limbs but also its heart, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. This quality has made it a subject of great interest in scientific research. Perhaps most intriguing is the axolotl's neotenic nature. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls remain in their larval form throughout their life, never undergoing the usual metamorphosis to adulthood. The axolotl, a creature that never grows up from Mexico, secures our 8th place. The 7th spot goes to the Saiga antelope from Russia and Kazakhstan. A sight to behold, the Saiga antelope sports a unique nose structure. This oversized, flexible, and inflatable hooter is not just for show. It's a sophisticated air filter and a built-in air conditioner. In the blistering summer it cools down the antelope's blood, while in the frosty winter it warms up the icy air before it reaches the lungs. These antelopes are also known for their impressive migratory habits. They undertake long journeys across the vast steppes and deserts, searching for suitable habitats and pastures. But it's not all smooth sailing for the Saiga antelope. They face serious threats from poaching and habitat loss. Unchecked hunting for their horns and meat, coupled with the rapid encroachment of human settlements, has led to a dramatic decrease in their numbers. The Saiga antelope, with its strange nose from Russia and Kazakhstan, takes our 7th place. Coming in at number 6 is the narwhal, the unicorn of the sea from the Arctic. This fascinating creature is known for its long, spiraled tusk, which is actually a protruding tooth that can grow up to 10 feet long. This tusk is not just for show, it serves several purposes, including sensing changes in the environment and aiding in the search for food under the thick Arctic ice. Narwhals are perfectly adapted to their icy habitat, with a thick layer of blubber for insulation, and a dorsal fin adapted to move smoothly under ice-covered surfaces. Their unique ability to navigate the icy Arctic waters is truly remarkable. With their sonar-like abilities, they can accurately detect cracks in the ice, allowing them to surface for air. These formidable swimmers can dive up to a mile deep in search of squid, fish, and shrimp. the narwhal, the Arctic's very own unicorn, swims into 6th place. At number 5 we have the Proboscis monkey from Borneo. This unusual primate is a spectacle to behold, known for its extraordinary elongated nose. This defining feature, particularly prominent in males, isn't just for show. It plays a crucial role in amplifying calls, attracting mates, and asserting dominance. But the Proboscis monkey is more than just a peculiar nose. These creatures are also remarkable swimmers. Equipped with partially webbed feet, they navigate Borneo's mangrove swamps and rivers with ease, often leaping from tree branches into the water, a sight that is as humorous as it is impressive. Sadly, the Proboscis monkey is an endangered species. Deforestation and habitat loss have significantly impacted their populations. These monkeys are a living testament to nature's endless creativity, and a stark reminder of the threats that many species face in their struggle for survival. The Proboscis monkey, Borneo's big-nosed primate, swings into 5th place. Coming in at number 4 is the Blobfish from Australia. This intriguing creature has a peculiar appearance that's as fascinating as it is unusual. The blobfish's body is primarily a gelatinous mass, slightly denser than water, which allows it to effortlessly float above the seafloor without wasting energy on swimming. Its fleshy, loose skin and droopy face might not win any beauty contests, but these features are perfectly adapted for life in the deep sea. Dwelling at depths of up to 3,000 feet, where the pressure is several dozen times higher than at sea level, the blobfish leads a relatively undisturbed life. However, when brought to the surface, the drastic change in pressure causes the blobfish to transform into the blobby form we're familiar with. In its natural environment, the blobfish actually looks like a regular fish. It's a great reminder of how diverse and adaptable life on Earth can be. The blobfish, Australia's gelatinous deep-sea dweller, floats into 4th place. Taking the 3rd spot is the pangolin from Africa and Asia. This fascinating creature is easily recognized by its full armor of scales. These scales, made of keratin, the same material as human nails, provide a unique and effective defense mechanism. When threatened, the pangolin curls into a tight, impenetrable ball, leaving predators frustrated and unable to get a meal. However, it's this very defense mechanism that makes them easy targets for poaching. Tragically, the pangolin holds an unwanted title, the world's most trafficked mammal. Their scales are highly sought after in the illegal wildlife trade, especially for traditional medicine in Asia, despite no scientific evidence to back these claims. Despite the threats they face, pangolins are resilient and fascinating creatures. Their scaly armor, nocturnal habits, and unique defense mechanisms truly set them apart in the animal kingdom. The pangolin, a scaly creature under threat from Africa and Asia, rolls into 3rd place. The runner-up in our countdown is the platypus from Australia. Now, the platypus is no ordinary creature. It's as if nature decided to mix and match, resulting in this fascinating animal. Picture a creature with a bill and webbed feet reminiscent of a duck, yet it sports a furry body like that of a mammal. That's not all, though. The platypus is among the rare mammals that lay eggs. Yes, you heard it right. Unlike most mammals who give birth to live young, the platypus female lays 1 to 2 eggs at a time, incubating them in a burrow for about 10 days. Its unique features don't end here. This creature uses its duck-like bill to navigate underwater and locate its prey, thanks to the sensitive electroreceptors embedded within. So, from its duck-billed face to its egg-laying habits, the platypus is indeed a marvel of nature that refuses to stick to the norm. The platypus, Australia's egg-laying mammal, waddles into 2nd place. And the strangest creature on Earth is the goblin shark from Japan. This fascinating creature is certainly a sight to behold, with its unique protruding jaw that juts out like a goblin's nose. Unlike most sharks, the goblin shark's jaw is not fixed, but can extend out from its body to snatch up prey with surprising speed and accuracy. Dwellers of the deep sea, goblin sharks are found in the waters of Japan. They prefer the darkness and cold of the ocean depths, typically residing between 2,000 and 3,000 feet below the surface. Here, in the ocean's twilight zone, they remain largely unseen and unbothered by human activities. Sightings of goblin sharks are incredibly rare, adding to their mystique. They are often brought to light only when accidentally caught in fishing nets. Their elusive nature has earned them a place in Japanese folklore where they are seen as omens of good fortune. The goblin shark, Japan's deep-sea mystery, takes the crown as the strangest creature on Earth. And there you have it, the top 10 strangest creatures on Earth. From the indestructible tardigrade in Antarctica to the mysterious goblin shark in Japan, each creature proves just how diverse and fascinating our planet truly is. Let's not forget the importance of biodiversity. It's what makes our world wonderfully unique. So I encourage you to delve deeper, learn more about these peculiar beings and their habitats. Remember, these strange creatures are an essential part of our planet. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. Top Lists, the top video channel. Want to see more videos? Subscribe to Top Lists for more insight, and don't forget to hit like to support us. Keep tuning in.